A trial without a defendant. The deceased Sergei Magnitsky exposed a $230 million tax fraud, but ended up the accused. In pre-trial detention, the lawyer complained of a lack of medical treatment. It was there that he died, allegedly after a beating in 2009. His family's attorney says the decision to proceed with the case has no precedent.
It has nothing to do with official law. This decision was politically motivated. They did it because they were ordered to by the authorities.
Magnitsky has become an international cause celeb. His name is enshrined in the Magnitsky Act, a US law sanctioning Russian officials accused of his death and the tax fraud he uncovered. But the Russian authorities are angry at what they consider US interference. Russian lawmakers banned American citizens from adopting Russian children. They've drawn attention to examples of adoptees dying in the US, and that has prompted public anger. It's hard not to see the response by the Russian authorities as anything but retaliatory, and officials have said as much themselves. Recently, Texan prosecutors decided not to press charges against the American parents of an adopted Russian boy who died in their care. Within 24 hours, Russia announced that a criminal investigation into the death of Sergei Magnitsky would be closed due to a lack of evidence. A guilty verdict would send a message to the United States that it has named a law after a convicted criminal. But to Sergei Magnitsky's family and supporters of the Magnitsky Act, he stood against corruption at the heart of the Russian state and paid for it with his life. Haywood, Al Jazeera.